Under the moonlit sky where shadows play, at the crossroads where spirits stray, keeper of secrets veiled in night, Hecate walks, her torch is alight. Oh, Hecate, gaze to the past and the new, the maiden, the mother, the crone in view. With her keys she unlocks realms unseen. Hecate reigns, the eternal queen. Oh, Hecate, at her side, they howl to the moon. A goddess of magic, death and the rune. Her wisdom eternal, her power untamed. Hecate's glory forever proclaim. Oh, Hecate,
Hecate is a goddess from Greek mythology. She is older than many famous gods like Zeus and Athena. Her roots go back to ancient times, even before the Greeks, in lands like Anatolia, modern-day Turkey. Hecate is a powerful goddess who was respected by both the Titans, the older gods, and the Olympians, the newer gods. She didn't take sides in their battles, which is why she kept her power when the Olympians won. She was seen as a kind and helpful goddess who could bring blessings of wealth, victory, and protection to those who honored her. Symbols and iconography. Hecate is often shown holding two torches, which symbolize her ability to guide people through darkness and uncertainty. She is also known for her keys, which represent her power to open doors to other worlds and hidden knowledge. Crossroads are sacred to Hecate because they are places of choice and mystery. People often left offerings to her at crossroads to ask for her blessings. Other symbols include dogs, snakes, and the moon. Dogs are loyal and watchful, and they often howl to announce her presence. The moon represents her connection to magic and the night, roles and dominions. Hecate is the goddess of many things, including magic. She is the goddess of witches and spells. The moon, especially the dark moon, when the sky is almost completely dark. Crossroads. She guards places where paths meet, helping people choose the right way. The underworld. She helps spirits move between the world of the living and the dead. She is also a protector of the home and families. People pray to her to keep their homes safe from harm. Honoring Hecate in modern practice. Altar setup and offerings. To honor Hecate, you can create a small altar. An altar is a special space where you can connect with her energy. Here's how to set it up. Items for the altar. Her sigil embedded candles to represent her power and the night. Sigil of Hecate. Keys, because she is the keeper of doors and paths. Crystals like black tourmaline, moonstone, or obsidian. Offerings for Hecate. Garlic. It's a sacred herb for her. Eggs and honey. These are traditional offerings. Bread and wine. Simple foods that she appreciates. A small ball of water to symbolize her connection to the moon. Place these items neatly on the altar and light the candle when you want to pray or meditate. Festivals and rituals. Hecate has special days when she is celebrated. This is the night of the dark moon, when the moon is not visible in the sky. It's a time to honor her by cleaning your home and leaving offerings at a crossroads. Rituals for Hecate. Light candles and say a small prayer to her. Burn incense like sandalwood or myrrh to invite her presence. Spend time under the moon, thinking about her power and guidance. Tools for Hecate's work. Hecate's energy can be felt through certain tools and items. Herbs, rosemary, mugwort, and thyme are her favorites. You can burn them as incense or use them in spells. Candles, sigil embedded candles are connected to her energy. Light them when you call on her. Crystals, use crystals like obsidian for protection or moonstone for connecting with her. Incense, burn sandalwood, myrrh, or frankincense to honor her and feel her presence. Protection spells with Hecate's blessing. Herbal candle protection spell. This spell is simple and helps protect you from negative energy. You will need Hecate candle, a few sprigs of rosemary, sage, and thyme. Hecate oil. Rub a small amount of Hecate oil on the candle. Crush the rosemary, sage, and thyme together. Roll the candle in the crushed herbs so they stick. Light the candle and say, Hecate, goddess of the night, protect me with your guiding light. Keep all harm far away. Bring peace and safety every day. Let the candle burn for some time, but never leave it unattended. You can repeat the spell whenever you need extra protection. Incense circle of protection. This spell uses incense to create a circle of safety around you. You will need sandalwood incense, a charcoal disc for burning incense, myrrh resin. Light the charcoal disc and place it in a heat-proof dish. Sprinkle a little myrrh resin on the burning charcoal. Hold the sandalwood incense stick and walk in a circle around yourself or your space, letting the smoke form a protective barrier. As you walk, say, Hecate, with your sacred flame, protect this space in your great name. No harm shall enter, no darkness stay. Keep me safe both night and day. Moonlit Herb Mojo Bag for protection. This spell creates a protective charm that you can carry with you. You will need a small black pouch, lavender, mugwort, and a small black tourmaline crystal. Fill the bag with lavender, mugwort, and the black tourmaline crystal. Hold the bag under the dark moon and say, Hecate, under the moon's dark light. Bless this charm to protect with your might. Keep harm away, both seen and unseen. With your power, keep my spirit clean. Carry the mojo bag in your bag or pocket for protection. These simple spells use everyday ingredients like herbs, candles, and incense to connect with Hecate's protective energy. They are easy to perform and bring a sense of safety and peace into your life. Pathworking to invoke Hecate. Preparations for pathworking. Before starting, make sure you are in a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Clean the space by burning sage or mugwort to clear out negative energy. What you'll need: Hecate candle, Hecate sigil, sandalwood or myrrh incense. Set these items in front of you and light the candle and incense. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Guided visualization. This is a simple way to meet Hecate in a spiritual space. Take deep breaths and feel your body becoming calm. Imagine yourself standing in a quiet, dark forest. Walk to the crossroads. See a faint light ahead of you. As you walk toward it, you reach a crossroads where three paths meet. The area feels sacred and powerful. In the middle of the crossroads, see Hecate holding two glowing torches. She is surrounded by her sacred animals, dogs and snakes. Her energy feels strong but comforting. Bow your head slightly as a sign of respect. In your mind or out loud, say, Hecate, keeper of the crossroads, guide me with your light and wisdom. I seek your blessings and your protection. You can ask her a question, share your worries, or simply feel her presence. Trust that she hears you. When you feel ready, thank her by saying, Thank you, Hecate, for your light and guidance. I honor your presence in my life. Imagine walking back through the forest, feeling safe and empowered. After the pathworking, when you open your eyes, take a moment to feel grounded. Touch the floor or hold a crystal like black tourmaline to connect back to the present. Write down your experience in a journal. This helps you remember any feelings, messages, or insights you received. Leave a small offering for Hecate, like a piece of bread, garlic, or a little honey. You can place it on your altar or at a crossroads. This pathworking is a powerful way to feel Hecate's presence and build a deeper connection with her. It's simple and safe, but always approach with respect and gratitude. How Hecate can help you in your life. Guidance during difficult times. Hecate is known as the goddess of crossroads, which means she helps people make decisions when they feel stuck. When you are confused about which path to take in life, you can pray to her. Light a candle and say, Hecate, guide me with your wisdom. Show me the right path to take. She won't make the choice for you, but she can help you feel calm and clear so you can make a good decision. Protection from harm. Hecate is a strong protector. She watches over those who honor her and keeps negative energies away. You can ask her for protection when you feel scared or unsafe. Keep a small key or a black stone like obsidian in your pocket as a charm of her protection. Say, Hecate, guardian of the night, protect me with your guiding light. She is especially helpful if you feel there are unseen energies or harmful intentions around you. Support in spiritual growth. If you want to grow spiritually or learn about magic, Hecate can be your teacher. She is the goddess of witchcraft and magic, so she understands spells, rituals, and the hidden truths of the universe. To ask for her help in learning, you can light incense like myrrh or sandalwood and say, Hecate, Queen of the Unseen, teach me what is hidden and divine. Spend time meditating or studying about her. She often guides through dreams or small signs like keys or dogs appearing in unexpected places. Healing emotional wounds. Hecate is a comforting presence for those who feel lost or broken. She helps people release pain and move forward. If you're feeling hurt or sad, you can do this simple ritual. Light a white candle. Hold a piece of moonstone or any crystal that makes you feel calm. Say, Hecate, healer of the heart, help me let go and make a new start. As the candle burns, imagine your pain melting away with the flame. For those who practice spells, Hecate can make your magic stronger. She gives power to rituals, especially ones for protection, guidance, and personal growth. Before starting any spell, you can call on her to bless your work. Say, Hecate, goddess of the night, bless this spell with your sacred light. Leave a small offering, like a piece of garlic or bread, to thank her for her help. Building a personal relationship with Hecate. Hecate is not just a goddess. She can become a close guide in your life. Building a relationship with her takes time, respect, and patience. Here is how you can connect with her regularly. Light a candle for her every night, even for a few minutes. Say a simple prayer like, Hecate, I honor you. Guide me and protect me always. Keep an altar or a small space in your home dedicated to her. Watch for signs like dreams, keys, or dogs. These could be her way of communicating with you. Hecate is a powerful and kind goddess who can help you in many areas of your life. Whether you need guidance, protection, or support in your spiritual journey, she is always there to assist if you show her respect and devotion.